Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Manchester Local and Long Distance Movers Near Me. You are so excited about your big move and can't wait to discover the new city and state. Yet you are anxious that your belongings won't be ready or safe for the long trip ahead. Hiring our services means you don't have to worry about anything. No matter how far you need to move, at 3 Men and a Truck, we provide our moving services worldwide to our customers. Rest assured, our moving staff will pack your belongings carefully to maintain their protection for the long trip ahead. We assure you of damage-free and timely delivery of your belongings at your destination. If you think you can easily handle your local move all alone, reanalyze your decision. It's a lot of work to pack all of your stuff and move everything to your new space. Even if you are fine with making millions of back-and-forth trips in your car, did you think about how you are going to move your big couch or mattress over? Hiring local movers will save you time and energy. 3 Men and a Truck will make your move into your new home or office faster and more efficient. From packing to heavy lifting to unpacking, our movers will execute everything within few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Manchester moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.